Hi, we have reached our medical college. Look at the beauty around. This is so beautiful. Such a beautiful. क्या? What is it? Waterfall है? क्या? किधर है? अरे वाह! Look at the आया दिखा मेरे फोन में. ये छो. अरे हाँ, ये कैसे दिखेगा zoom करके? ये बनाते हैं हम birds है रे उसके अंदर. Look at the bird's nest. It's so beautiful यार. This is a gorgeous place. So we have reached our college, our medical college, and it's so beautiful. Look at the bird's nest here. किसका आँख गया रे उधर? ENT वाले का? इसको zoom कैसे करने का? So beautiful. Look around. And this is the. Let us just explore. I'm here. Look at the beautiful mountain over here. It's a lovely place. This is lovely me. Look at the beautiful mountain. And this is a track. Hey, इधर झरना है. Hey, इधर झरना आ जाओ. There's a waterfall here. Oh wow, there's a waterfall here. Oh my God, there is a chameleon. There's a chameleon. There's a waterfall. Dr. Radha. This is hey, waterfall hai, come here. There's a chameleon here. There is a chameleon here. ओ गई अभी उसके सामने जाऊँ क्या? चढ़ जाएगी तो? The yellow butterfly is so beautiful.
आपके ऊपर चढ़ेगा तो वो भी लाल कलर का हो जाएगा.
हाँ, तेरे पर ब्लू हो जाएगा. चढ़. This is natural waterfall. This is so beautiful. एक मंदिर है देख ऊपर. कौन जाता होगा ऊपर? So this is us here. Beautiful. Our college is so beautiful. It's amazingly beautiful. Our college. This is. Look at this. This is a natural. There was a chameleon over here. लेकिन वो मेरे को zoom नहीं होगा ना वीडियो में. वो nest.
नहीं. आपने इसको फोन किया राज को?
नहीं.
अरे waterfall कर.
You're spoiling my YouTube. This guy always spoils my YouTube. He's a spoiler, by the way.
जो काम कर रहा है उसके लिए.
This Dr. Yashu Shetty is a big time spoiler of my YouTube. मैं आप लोग को यहाँ घुमा रही हूँ. Look. Okay guys, meet you again. Bye.